Um, Sorry I haven't been posting as much anymore. I've just been really busy. As you can see, it's like it's it's I don't know. It's like really really crazy. It's been a crazy couple weeks for me because midterms, studying a lot, and no, I haven't been studying a lot. I don't even know how the hell I passed midterms. Was a bitch, but it's all good. But yeah. So that's what I've been doing, man. School and work, man, has been kicking my ass. I haven't been able to vlog. Plus, on top of that, it's freaking raining. I don't even know why it's raining. It's freaking August and it's raining. I'll show you right now. Look, raining outside, and I have no idea why it's raining, but it's raining and it sucks. So yeah, I got something new, and pretty excited that I got this because now I don't feel as lonely when I'm home alone anymore. His name is Leo. It's rain crazy. He wants to get put down. He doesn't really like being carried. So I'm gonna put him down. And he's just gonna walk everywhere. Rain stops. I'm gonna take the vlogs to different places because I can't really go anywhere because it's raining. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here, and I'm gonna put all my information to my social media in the description below and also in my outro. So y'all guys have a good one. Have a blessed day. Stay safe. Peace.